Hello everyone, Seven here from CreativeTradingSystem.com, making this small video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. Let me show you my chart starting from the monthly chart, right? So this is my monthly chart, and as you can see that it's Elliott wave count, and usually the Elliott wave. Let me show you here that how they usually are. What happened actually, like just a general phenomena, five waves, like impulse wave and then three wave correction, right? So this is usually what happens, one, two, three, four, five, and then the correction will come A, B, C for wave two. And then similarly, then comes wave three, then comes wave four correction, and then wave five, right? And these are the subwaves of that. And then see this, these are subwaves, right? One, two, three, four, five, and then ABC correction, and then wave three has five waves, and then wave four has three waves, right? Something like that. So here you can see that this is exactly what happened here in this. So far we have this wave one and wave two. This one, if you pull the fib from here to here, this is 78% retracement. So that is a perfect wave two. Then wave three usually is around 161%, around, more or less, right? So you can see that if you measure from here to here between wave one and two, wave three started from here and then it went straight up to, as of today, it is above, little above 161. To the next level of the Fibonacci is 178, right? So this is the expansion tool for targeting in Elliott waves. The wave three is perfectly reached to its final target. And this, we can say that if we stop here, and we can, and we should stop here, this is a perfect calculation for wave three. But once the wave three is done, what is next? And the next is, you can see that, from this chart as well as, like wave three, after that comes wave four. And more clearly, I want to show you this chart. So now this one showing that this drop here for wave two and this drop for wave four is kind of a little different, right? What happened here is that this is a kind of, we call a zigzag correction, which is a steep correction to the downside, and it is mostly like around 61 to 78%, which we have here, right? We have 78%. This is like A, B, and C, right? This is how it comes in wave two most of the time. 80%, I would say. But in wave four, usually if this wave two has a zigzag, then wave four usually turn into a flat correction where A equal B equals C, and it is not as deep as this one. It is usually around 38% of wave three, right? Wave two could be 61 to 78%, but wave three, most of the time it's 38%. Sometimes 50% as well. And but mostly it is around 38% of wave three. And then it is a flat correction where A equal B equals C, three legs. And sometimes you will find a triangle here as well, right? So triangle mostly for, form here. So let's see what is happening right now here. So we have finished wave three, so then we can drop in wave four. Now, see these one, two, three, four, five, we can, elaborate a little bit more in this one with the weekly chart. So let's say this is one, two, three, four, five. This is wave three ending here. And we're supposed to come down here for wave four in this like A, B, C fashion. And then we go to the upside more probably for wave five, definitely, right? So wave four is the thing that need to be coming in next. Now, wave two, you can see that wave four usually a little bit more in time and sideways correction, but it is more in time. It is a very complex and dangerous correction, right? And let's see if you see the time of this correction from here, which is April 2001, 2021 in April, and then it is almost December 2022. So you're talking about April, May, June, 6. Okay, 8 months. So 1 year and 8 months from here to here, right? So if we are talking about the same time, then you're talking about, stuck in, we're going to be, stuck in this wave four, dangerous wave four, up, down, this, so badly, right? Usually, wave. So more than probably, this time, and then, we can say like maybe around 2 year or something. Right. So, now, Bitcoin is going to fall into wave four and a very complex correction, typical correction, and very dangerous one. So, need to be very careful. Right. So, this is the weekly chart. I just showed you that this is going to be starting now, probably if it is finished here. Now, if may go up a little bit more to hit this channel, but if you see this, let's say for example, extension usually in the wave three, and I mean this is the extension usually and like 127 or 161, so it is already hit 127 and 161 is here, so it may go up a little bit more to 161. There is a chance, right? So let's see if it goes or not. Time will tell. But another way to measure wave five is it is usually 0.61 or 61% of wave three. So how do you measure that? Using this expansion tool, and then we go by this, and we will see that it is 61% is there, and 78% is the next level, right? So it's perfectly fine. Usually, sometimes it can go as big as the wave three as well to 100%, but this is perfect, right? So even if it goes here, it is still 100% of wave three, right? So that's perfect for wave five. Usually is ideally is at 61%. So right now where we are, it can be the end of wave five, which is going to end this wave black count wave three, and then we make the turn, which kind of already doing it, right? You see this shooting star candle last week and the week before last week, and then last week was a follow up a little bit to the downside, and then got pulled back up again. So now let's go take a look at even smaller time frame, that what the heck is happening for more detail. The daily chart is like this. This is 3, 4, and 5, and we like you see this TL, and we broke below the TL, and then we hit this high here, and then went up and tested the backside of the TL, and then now trying to drop again. So this is what's happening on a daily chart. Now, how do we make the entry, and how do we know exactly that if it is going to go down from here or go to the upside? So for that, I use my Renko chart system candles, right? Renko candles, where you see this. This is my 40-minute chart, and this is more detailed. That this is small highs and lows and this and that. That's what's happening. So this is the end of like wave five and wave three, and now we drop here. I would say that this could be wave one of wave one. All right. So let's see. This we need to go down, right? So it probably will have, and it's gonna go down like an A, B, C fashion, right? So A is usually an impulse wave and have five subwaves, right? One, two, three, four, five. So that wave one, two, three, four, five, that will make wave A, and then we'll go up for B and C. So that wave one of A is this. You can see this one. This is wave one of this, wave A going to the downside. So this is going to be wave one, if I'm correct. And then where's the wave two? So this rise is going to go up around this area. Usually wave two is, somewhere 61 to 78%. And that would be like maybe these highs here, right? So one of these highs, and we might be going up there for wave two. Then we will drop for wave 3, 4, 5 to the downside, and that would be wave A. Then we will go up for wave B, and then again down for wave C. Here we can see more. If in fact, this is what we need to do. See? So we have to come into this area here in three waves, right? So probably like A, B, and then C here, and then again go to the upside, right? Or small, A, B, C, just a little bit more than this. And since this one, not this one, this wave four is going to be of this wave two. This one, two, and this wave three is finished, and this is wave four. This wave four it belongs to this wave three, black count. Right, so this wave four, it must be, should be actually, should I say, a little bit bigger than wave two. in time and in size. So maybe it will go, like I said, that this is like a year and 1.8, I think, right? Almost 1 year and 8 month time from here to here. So this is also probably, more or less around 2 year time. Let's see what happens, right? So this is what is it? And the 40-minute chart is like this. And now the thing is that how do we make the entry? That is very important, right? So at any time from my 40-minute chart and like a specific area where you expect to have a turn, what happens is that you have a reversal candle like blue candle turning into like red candle, right? So once we are here, let's say this high here, you can draw this. You see this? So one might expect that okay, this is a double top kind of formation, and it may drop, and it did. So when you have a first a reversal candle and red candle is in progress, then we go and look for the 20-minute chart short, right? So this is what happened here. There's a reversal candle finish, and then you can see here that right there. Let me show you in more detail because exact time. I'm gonna expand it a little bit. So this is what we're talking about, right? And so this is the so now you see that the candle in the middle with this blue and red candle. There's a candle where the body is almost nothing, right? A very, very small body, the wick on the top, wick on the bottom. That is a reversal candle. And this reversal candle end when the new red candle start, right? So the red candle started, we have the time down below, and it is 8:14, 800 hour. 8 means August 14, 800 hour. Let's go take a look there, what happened. That's where the candle was finished. So 8:14 is this, and 800 hour is this, right? So after that, we need a short entry. And after that, the first entry is this good entry, not good entry, very good entry, because the yellow is still above the red candle, right? I mean, red line here, the yellow line. But, once you know that this is where you should have a turn, then you can take it. And if not, then this is a perfect by the book entries. All of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then boom. And this was a good entry, this one, right? So at least you come down here to 111,979, and you can see this area. It is right there. So when you drop here, then obviously this is should be the end. It should close your trade, right? And then it bounce again, and you have a reversal candle from the downside, and which you can here, right? And then you look for the long entry, right? And then for that matter, you can see, well, this one is actually, um, yeah. So this one, that, and then we started go up, and then we are here now, right? And let me see, this was bouncing this reversal candle at the level, and it is 822.17. So where's 822.17? 822.17, right there, right? So obviously it was way down and it's taking time to go into the upside. And now it is making a long setup, right? And at a level, which level? It's 114,723. So let's take a look at that. Now, do you where let me see here, you can see that this is the level, right? So you mark that level on a 40-minute chart, 114723. So let's see, 114723. I should have it here, but I don't have it. 114723, right there, right? So this is the line, that line here. Now, looking at this one, you have a 40 short, but we can say that if we need to bounce from here and then go here, then what we need to look for long. And if you look at the 20, it is making a long setup, right? So if it drops here, we have no trade. But if I have a reversal candle here and a couple of blue candles, that means that it is this long setup is working out, and it will be going towards this area. Let's say 120, let's say 120, 121 area. So where we are now, right now is 115, and we will be going to 119, somewhere here. which is not too far, right? So that's easily it can go there. And then there's another level here, and then there's a lot of small level that I have not did, draw. They are here, man. Where are they? Oh, I have these. Let me shrink it a little bit. Okay. All right. So, yeah, into this area, you have this 119,799, 129.04, right? And then 124. So these are the levels that it's going to go for. If it bounced from there, 114.7, actually, it's here 731, there 723. I'll make it 7 simple. 25. That's in the middle, right? So let's say this is the number. And then if we bounce, we have a long setup right now, and then it will go there, but it's not going to go all the way, but it's going to go there and then make the turn. That will be wave two, followed by wave three to the downside, if my count is correct, which it looks like very good count, and especially on the weekly chart and monthly chart, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finish wave three, and we need to drop for wave four. So this is my analysis for Bitcoin. Let's see what happened. Time will tell if I'm right or wrong. And I will probably take some trades as well just to show that, this is how I do the analysis and then take the trade. All right. So I'll be looking for long above that level that I just showed you on the 20-minute chart here, above this 114,723. Take it to this level and then drop from there, and then I'll go short just like these. I will be waiting for some like this, right? So when it drops here below, again below the red line, and then start traveling like this and give me a short setup, I'll take that to the downside for wave three. All right, so this is it for now. I will close it, and after that, probably in a little while, I'm going to make the video for gold, right? Gold is also very good moving right now and under control, so it's very pretty to watch it. That exactly doing as I make the chart, right? So yeah, so this is it for now, and have a wonderful weekend. Which today is Saturday, then we have almost Saturday is almost gone, but you still have Sunday, right? So enjoy, and I will talk to you guys later in the next video.